Hello, in this video I will show you how to install GPT Widget on Infinix Note 40. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. And now select this application and click install. And here you can click this button to skip introduction. Now click not now and then click open permissions. Then click on AI Assistant to allow this app to display over other apps and then click back. Now you can click start, and as you can see, here is my ChatGPT widget and you can open him and you can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, just drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.